TT Squad, this is Tia. I am in the kitchen. I want some Chinese food. Can't have Chinese food, so I'm going to make me some shrimp fried rice. So the first thing I'm going to do, cauliflower though. Y'all know I'm cauliflower girl. Cauliflower. So I'm up here. I just put my oil in here for my shrimps. Ooh, it has to be all on the pan. I don't know if I got the right kind of pan to be cooking this in or what. I don't know. It look like it is. Now, hang on my shrimps. I don't know if I'm supposed to, do I supposed to clean them first? Do I supposed to take these stains off of them? You know what, TT Squad? I think I'm supposed to take these stains off for our friend. Okay, TT Squad, I'll be right back. TT Squad, I was about to cook the shrimps with everything on it. You know, this, when you don't know how to cook, you know, I should have known you take them out. But I figure when they boil them, they leave them on. But it's not the same when you cook them. I gotta remember that. Called my sister up. She said, girl, if you don't take them things out. I was like, I didn't know because I was going to cook them with the shell on. I'm not cooking a lot because I'm not going to make a lot. It's just me. Like I might have put a little bit too much. These are small. But they were on sale for $5 a pound. And I got them from Giants. I'm just going to lay them all out. I'm not going to have it because I'm not making a big one. I'm just making a little. Y'all know I'm not good at this, so I'm learning. See, still left some time. I can't try to kill myself. No, honey. Cut it down a little bit. It was already deveined. My sister was like, did you devein? I said, I looked for something. I ain't see nothing, so I figured they was done. I don't know. That's what it told. She just looked at me. I mean, she just looked, yeah, because she had her iPhone. She just looked like, girl, do you know? I'm like, no, I don't. Okay. I'm going to use sea salt and put on it. Now, no regular salt, just sea salt. Season with sea. I didn't make a lot. Ooh. Got some shell on my hands, see that? I didn't make a lot. I made just enough to make a little bit. Then I'm gonna put some pepper on them. And I think they cook for like 7 minutes, my sister said. Because I'm making a little bit. I put a little garlic on it. On that side. Yeah. Let me clean up my, oh, I left the shrimp here, y'all. And then she told me you can't rinse them off or anything because they hold water, which I did not know that. It is everything I put on it. I know it ain't a lot. I know when to flip them over. Yeah. Flip them over when they... I guess when they get certain, I don't know, when they get a little like they about ready. Yeah, y'all can see. Boom, boom. Because I'm not making a lot of shrimp. I'm just making a little, one just for me, enough for like 2 servings, like for 2 days. Like I think it's time to turn them, yeah, they get a little crispy soon. So it's time to turn them over. I don't want them too crispy. Because they got to cook on the other side. Yeah. There you go. I'm making all my little desires in. Went to the doctor today. Doctor said he was very happy with my weight loss. He was like, I'm doing a good job. Keep up whatever I'm doing. He said my blood work showed that I'm getting enough protein in, my vitamins. I'm looking at him like, really? I don't know what blood work he looked at, but I was like, okay. Because I told myself I was sick for a minute and I couldn't take proteins and I was having trouble getting it down. He was like, no, but it look good. I add more sea salt on this side, not a lot. And a little garlic. And pepper. Okay, y'all. I'll be right back when I take them out. CC Squad, I'm back. Now I'm going to put the onions in. Bam. Guess what I forgot to do? Put some oil in the bottom of the pan. Oh, I'm going to put it on the side. That's enough. Look what I was thinking about. I got a whole onion I use. I like onions, so I use the whole onion. I'm only using a cup of mixed vegetables. It say 2 cups. Okay, I'm using 2 cups. Thought I was using a cup, but it's 2 cups. Okay, got the onions in here, let them simmer down. And I'm going to add some garlic. See? Oh my God. Woo. Garlic smells strong. Woo, smelly y'all. So I'm going to add, woo, God. Woo, goodness gracious, it's so strong. I'm going to add a teaspoon of garlic, tablespoon of garlic. 1. Lord Jesus, it's going to knock me out. Garlic is strong. I didn't know garlic was that. Woo. And cook it with the onion. This is pure version of cooking. Oh. I ain't even look it up or nothing. I just know we go in it, so I decided to cook it. That's how I did. And my son eating the rest of the shrimp because I didn't want a lot of shrimp. So I don't want to make a lot. So they getting. Now, they cooking. I'm going to add the mixed vegetables. Okay. And now, I'm going to add the cauliflower. I'm going cauliflower because I think y'all might think I'm crazy, but I'm going cauliflower crazy because cauliflower tastes so good, so I'm just getting used to it and everything. Yeah. I think the cauliflower is still frozen, but I'm going to put a top on that TT squad. Like, it's frozen. I should have waited. It's frozen, I'm sorry, but I'm going to put a top on it and let it get loose and I'll be right back. Hey TT Squad, I'm back. Now, I didn't show y'all, but I drained the cauliflower because you know cauliflower holds water. You don't want it to hold water on it. We'll put this over here. So, I drained my cauliflower in a drainer. So, I'm adding my shrimp. I only got like 20 shrimp because I really didn't want a big one. So, I should have added more, but it's okay for me. I'm going to add some soy sauce to it, just a little bit. Just add it just a little bit. Then I'm going to cook my egg over on the top. I'm going to push everything to one side. And I'm going to let my egg cook. I'm going to let it just cook right there for a little while. Then I'm going to turn around. See? Just let the egg cook in it for a little while that's still getting all the juices out. Yeah, then I'm going to add a little bit more once it cooks. I'm going to add more to it. That's my son's shrimps over there. Because he's like, oh, Mom, you did not, yeah, you got to, So I'm going to go ahead and start stirring this up. I'm going to add a little bit more. I really don't like soy sauce, but I know making this, you got to have it. So now I'm about to just go ahead and add it all together, mix it all together. Add a little bit more soy sauce. Because I didn't really add a lot. That's enough. And look at the eggs cooking up in here. Let y'all look at this. Look, y'all. See? And I only put 2 eggs in it. Then I'm going to let it simmer down a little bit more and put the top on it. Yeah. Check it out. I'll put the top on and let it cook for like another 5 minutes. TT Squad, I'll be right back. TT Squad, I am back. Here are the end results of it. It looks really delicious. I'm about to put me a plate together. Cut the stove off. And I have my shrimp fried rice. I only want a little bit. I don't want a lot. Bam, look, y'all. Bam. And I'm about to taste it. I'm about to give me a fork. And I'm going to taste it. Bam. Look, TT Squad. I'm about to taste it. I know y'all. Y'all, it actually tastes good. Oh my goodness. I gotta sit down with y'all on this one. Because I don't know what's going on with my cooking, but my cooking even getting even better. Check it out, check it out, check it out. Look, TT Squad. Shrimp fried rice, cauliflower fried rice. Cauliflower shrimp with vegetables and eggs and and it tastes good. And it tastes good. I am so tired. I did a really good job. I will make this again. I will surely make this again. This is really good. Like, share, subscribe, TT Squad. Thank y'all.